Disaster Restoration Services is a true full-service 24-hour emergency restoration company. Established in 1997, we specialize in fire, smoke, mold, soot, and water restoration. Our staff of over 200 full-time employees ensures that no job is too big or small. We're experienced, qualified, and committed to restoring your property with minimal inconvenience to you. With offices located in Raleigh, Durham, Fayetteville, Winston-Salem, Wilmington, Charlotte, Hickory, Greenville, South Carolina, and new locations coming to Myrtle Beach, Charleston, and Columbia. We service both North and South Carolina. Regardless of where you are, DRS can always be reached at 800-672-1529. Disaster Restoration Services specializes in insurance restoration and fully understands the claim process. We currently work with numerous insurance companies and their representatives. Call our toll-free number, which is monitored by our entire management team 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Disaster Restoration Services, 800-672-1529.